13th sum, y equal to tan theta into sin theta plus cos theta. Here we can write this tan theta as sin theta by cos theta. I want to multiply the sin theta by cos theta to each and every term there, so that we can get sin theta by cos theta into sin theta is the first term, plus here I can cancel this cos theta and cos theta in the second term, so that we got simply the sin theta. Okay, and then so now we got this y equal to tan theta sin theta plus sin theta. This is the problem. Now we want to differentiate this as dy by d theta equal to, here I want to differentiate in the product thing. Here tan theta into sin theta is in product, so I have to differentiate with the product format there. So I can keep this sin theta as it is now and differentiate this d by d theta into tan theta, plus now keep tan theta as it is and differentiate this sin theta as d by d theta of sin theta, plus now we hear the next term as sin theta, so d by d theta of sin theta. And then I want to differentiate the thing, d by d theta of tan theta is nothing but secant square theta. Keep this sin theta as it is here and then keep this tan theta here. Differentiation of this sin theta is cos theta, plus this sin theta, differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. And then we want to simplify this again there. So I can cancel this as secant square theta as we can write this as 1 by cos square theta and keep this sin theta as it is, plus this tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta into this cos theta plus cos theta here. Keep this term as it is there. And then if possible we can cancel the terms, isn't it? So I can write this cos square theta as sin by cos theta into 1 by cos theta. I splitted this cos square theta as cos theta into cos theta, plus I can cancel this cos theta and cos theta. The simple thing we have sin theta plus cos theta is here. And then I can write this as sin theta by cos theta as tan theta into secant theta. This 1 by cos can be written as secant theta plus sin theta plus cos theta. So this is the required answer here. Fourteenth sum, y equal to cosecant x cot x. Here we want to differentiate this as y dash equal to, keep this cosecant x as it is and differentiation of this cot x is minus cosecant square x. Now keep this cot x as it is into differentiation of this cosecant x here. The differentiation of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x there. Then we can take this, simplify this as minus cosecant cube x here and here minus cosecant x into cot square x. And then this cosecant cube can be written as minus 1 by sin cube minus this cosecant can be written as 1 by sin x. Cot square can be written as cos square by sin square x. And then here I can simplify again once again that LCM here. So like this minus 1 by sin cube as it is here, and I can multiply these two things as the multiplication as sin cube theta, sin cube x here. At the numerator simply cos square x. So again I can simplify the denominators as same here. So put sin cube x here. At the numerator we have minus 1 minus cos square x there. Take minus as common here. So the remaining things we have 1 plus cos square x there. So your answer is minus of 1 plus cos square x divided by sin cube x there. 15th sum, y equal to x sin x cos x. Here we have three things there. So one by one we have to differentiate there. So first thing we have to differentiate the first one. Keep the other two things as it is. So d by dx of x into, keep the remaining term sin x into cos x as it is there. Plus, and then Now keep x and cos x as it is. Differentiate this sin x. So x into d by dx of sin x into cos x plus, now we have to keep this x and sin x there and differentiate this cos x. So here x sin x is as it is and d by dx of cos x is here. And then we have to differentiate the thing. D by dx of x is nothing but 1. Keep this sin x into cos x as it is plus x into differentiation of sin x is nothing but cos x into cos x plus keep this x sin x as it is. So differentiation of this cos x is nothing but minus sin x. And then we have to multiply this thing, sin x cos x plus x cos square x. We have to multiply these two. So we have x cos square x minus x sin square x there. And then we can take x common from these two terms. So that we will get x into cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, this is actual formula of the trigonometry as cos 2x there. So we can complete the answer as sin x into cos x plus x cos 2x here.